Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get Halloween Bitmoji outfits on Snapchat. It's actually very simple to do. You just want to go over to your app store first off and just make sure your Snapchat's fully updated like mine is. Once you've fully updated your Snapchat, you can go ahead and click on Open on Snapchat. And then what we want to do is we want to go to the top left corner where we see our profile icon. Click on that, scroll down, and under Bitmoji, we will see Change Outfit. Click on that. And then here we will see our Halloween outfits. You just got to make sure you're on the clothes hanger, and then there'll be the Halloween event outfits, and there's tons to choose from, pumpkin ones. And what is cool as well is it changes the background, as you can see on the screen there. And then you guys can continue to click through. There is tons of different icons and custom outfits to choose from. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys all the new outfits for Halloween you can get on Snapchat. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.